Tiniyak din ni BARM Chief Minister Abdul Rauf Makakwa ang transparency at accountability sa lahat ng government transactions sa ilalim ng kanyang administrasyon. Sinabi nito na bilisan ang payment process sa mga bidders at suppliers. Bahagi ito ng dagdag na policy directives ng kanyang liderato na kanyang ibinahagi sa pagbubukas ng 4th regular session ng BTA Parliament.
Ensure transparency and accountability in our government transaction. We need transparency in project implementation, bidding, and procurement. Wala na pong contractor sa bidding. Wala na pong magpipix out sa mga bidding natin. Yung mga back natin, kailangan walang kaibigan na supplier, walang kaibigan na contractor. They must be neutral in dealing their program. We should expedite the payment process for bidders and suppliers. Kailangan naman bayaran natin yung mga contractor na magaganda. Hindi pwedeng sabi ni Kili Antaw, swerte na kung mabayaran ka ng 6 months. Sinabi ni Kili Antaw yun sa akin. But don't also hesitate to blacklist the earring contractor. Kung meron namang mga contractor dyan na mga luko-luko, kailangan i-blacklist natin. All ministries and offices and the Department BARM government must find ways to upgrade and enhance the services, projects, and programs they are mandated to deliver to the Bangsamoro. If the mandate and service delivery need to be reviewed to enhance service delivery, then by all means, let's do it. As I take this responsibility and commit myself to this mandate, I humbly ask for your support in achieving significant development and delivering essential services to our community. Let's ensure our citizens feel their public servants are truly working for them.